Today, we are gonna be saving weight, but unlike most of the people I know who went to Dr. Miami, we went to a different doctor, Dr. Sabon. That's right, this hood you see, no longer. That's right. What is this, Noel?
This is our new Sabon full carbon fiber hood that's gonna go on our 350Z. But that's not the only thing from Sabon that's gonna go on. We got the doors, and there's more.
What else?
We got the front fenders.
Okay.
We got the rear fenders.
Okay.
We got side skirts.
I wouldn't know about side skirts. That's foreign to me. Yeah, that's super foreign to me.
Amen, brother. And we also got the rear hatch. One of the heaviest pieces of the 350Z. Boom, gone. Full carbon fiber. This whole 350Z is gonna be carbon fiber, because why not?
Because we can.
Exactly, because Sabon says we can.
That's right. If we're gonna put a 5.7 in it and do it heavy, we might as well save some weight where we can, right?
Yeah, we don't wanna weigh as much as those Hellcat owners and even just the thought of it. But we're gonna be lighter, we're gonna be faster, we're gonna be cooler, we're gonna look cooler, and we're gonna sound better.
That's right. Now let's get to it. So today we have to disassemble this door. There are a lot of moving parts inside this door that we need to take out because Sabon provided us with carbon fiber doors. Now we have two options. We can either take this apart and not use any of it that is coming out here, or we can take this apart and put it into the other door. Step one, let's worry about taking this apart first and then see how far we get. Does your camera have x-ray vision? Can you see it? I got that dog in me. Door handle out. Door locking thing, I don't even know what this is called, but it's out. Now we gotta transfer everything to the other door and get it done. Noel, bring me the door. Oh, this is not heavy. Ta-da. Wow. Ta-da. Wow, would you look at this? I feel like Captain America.
Put them nuts in, boy.
What does that do if I spin it?
Don't touch it when he's filming, bro. Now to see if the door closes. There's just one bolt in here.
And I emailed them about that too.
Woo!
Probably.
We gotta tighten it up.
All right, my boy Gary right here, our new installation tech, finally got this carbon fiber door. I don't mean finally as disrespectfully, but finally meaning perfection. Can you close that door for it? That sounds better than a factory Nissan door. That's all I'm saying.
And I did it by myself. Well, John held the door.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, the guy behind the camera, that guy doesn't matter, but this guy right here did everything.
Congratulations, dog. You've officially been pimped. Here are the keys to your new ride.
Oh, it's perfect. It's perfect. Hey, where'd this trim go, by the way?
We gotta talk about that off camera.
Okay.
All right, everybody, so we did the carbon doors, fabulous. Now we need to move on to the hatch. This bad boy is heavy. And now that we've got our carbon fiber one from Sabon, we can take this off and then get it on. Jonathan, within this large Sabon box lies the hatch for the 350Z. Now the fun part about this is Noel's busy, but we get to play with more boxes. So let's unbox this. You know what? I know it's gonna drop, so let's just take this over there. This better not be the hood. You see this? Oof. Oof. Thank you. Whoa. Thank goodness, Mr. John. But we want to be the thing with this is you kind of don't want to use a ugga-dugga on this. Reason why, because it's built into the carbon and you don't want it to get snatched out. That's the last thing that you want, because once you, there's no rethreading this. When we put this on, so if you guys notice, I'm using the electric socket wrench or whatever you want to call it. My brain is fried right now. I'm using it on the metal side. So that's metal to metal. It's not metal to carbon. There we go. There we go. So essentially what he has to do is get this all like, once you put like Clecos and everything in here, it'll look good. But as you can see, it's being held. Noel, you want to come look at it? What? Your damn near carbon fiber 350Z?
What's wrong with it?
Nothing, it's perfect, like the fitment will be perfect.
Okay.
Once you like shave it down and get it to stick.
What do you need me to shave down?
I'm just trying to show you the gosh darn automobile.
Ooh! Sorry.
So essentially, like when you get this all to fit the right way and it sucks in, and you have to take off this back bumper too. Everything will mold into it, and then you'll just do what you need to do. But it pretty much seems like it's gonna be perfect. Like with the spacers you got from GK Tech and everything.
So I gotta take this rear bumper off, so it obviously all fits underneath it.
Yeah.
In between it, and then
pretty much you're damn near gonna have a carbon fiber. Did you get the roof too?
No.
Okay, thank you. But yeah, see how light that is.
Ooh.
There we go. Oh, it's perfect.
Ooh.
Just shave this a little bit, and when you lower it a little, and you're good.
Oh, dude. He's got these handles right here that you hold
Right?
on to.
So this whole car is going to be carbon fiber by the end of this video. It looks good though. Yeah, it's on. It's definitely, yeah, it's definitely, that's it. So as you can see, everything here is soft mocked up. What does that mean? It's not all bolted down. There's one bolt holding the door, one bolt holding the fender, and painter's tape holding the rear quarters on here. The only thing that's actually bolted down is the hatch. Now the most exciting part is we have to go to Downstar and get all of our brand new anodized and titanium hardware for this car, which means no more rusty bolts. Every bolt that came over here rusty is going to be replaced by beautiful Downstar hardware. So all of this will eventually be done and molded to the car. It'll sit right once we set our BC Racing coilovers in with our GK Tech suspension arms. Oh, it's gonna be so nice. I don't know if you guys have ever experienced a good Christmas, but I've had a few good Christmases. And Christmas is a few months away, but for us, it's today.
All right, guys, so we got everything mocked up. I cut the whole quarter panel out, and now we're going in for the final install of this Sabon carbon fiber rear quarter panel fender, whatever the heck you want to call it. But I really want to talk about the hardware we're going to be using, because shout out to our guys over at Downstar. Frank, you're the man. He has a full, almost over fender kit for just about anything you make. They provide the nut certs, they provide this beautiful hardware that goes in here, several colors that they have, but it is so easy to install, and Sabon made this thing fit like an absolute glove. Once you cut everything out, you get everything fitted, this thing is going nowhere. And with these fresh Downstar bolts, it allows just a perfect amount of bling when you want it.
So now we will exit and enjoy the wonders of our labor. Damn, I'm good.